This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Working in the passenger's side footwell, unclip the plastic cover from the cabin air filter. On some models, the plastic cover may be retained by screws. Pull down the lower end of the filter element and slide it from the housing. Install the new filter element into the housing, noting how it curves around to fit in the guide slots. Refit the filter cover and secure it in place with the retaining clips. If the clips break, it is possible to secure the cover using self-tapping screws through the holes provided in the cover.